Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Arif Kusumo. I want to present my paper in the title Student Critical Thinking Ability on the Application of the Linear Equation System Talk Model Project Based Learning MATLAB and System. Introduction Critical Thinking. Rasiman categories the level of critical thinking ability of prospective mathematics teacher into four level. They are LCTA 0, LCTA 1, LCTA 2, and LCTA 3. Several students have demonstrated the relevance of critical thinking. This is a topic that to be researched further. Critical thinking ability is very important for everyone. System of linear equation. There are so many times when students are given the application material for a system of linear equation. Students still found it difficult and confused in doing the work because the material is rarely encountered with when implementing learning in class. Something algebra learning is in class does not reach the material for applying a system of linear equation. Even though with this material, students become more varied in working on equations related to algebra. Using order method, this will support student critical thinking skill to continue to develop. Thus, particularly students in the mathematics education study program who are aspiring mathematics teacher should be taught critical thinking ability. Model project based learning MATLAB assistant Jonas Rasmussen and Moffitt as quote PGBL is a text that is given based on a question or challenge problem involving student in design solving problem, make decision or investigate the activity, give student autonomy over a certain period of time and culminates in the product real or presentation. MATLAB in this way, students are expected to be skilled in using mathematical application to help them solve the problem given will the application used in MATLAB. The use of MATLAB for learning is expected to help and increase interest in learning algebra. The formulation of the research problem is how is the student critical thinking process? How is the use of the application of learning equation in chemical reaction, equation and polynomial interpolation in improving student critical thinking skill? How to use the PGBL model in problem basic learning model in student critical thinking. The purpose of this study is to find out how students think critical and effort to improve student critical thinking skill on the application of linear equation system through the project-based learning model assisted by MATLAB. Method the place in STKIP Kusuma Negara, instrument critical thinking skill, test, test and post test, interview with the lanes and researcher key instrument. Data analysis, data reduction, continue presentation of data as well as withdrawal of conclusion and verification. Number four, and gain the Trimasi method. Yang number six, sample technique, purposive sample and cluster random sampling. Number seven, research subject. Fourth semester student who are taking linear algebra course. Result, the analysis results show that students with high critical thinking skill have been able to interpret the question. Although not yet perfect, students with high critical thinking skill have also been able to analyze evaluation and infer a question well. Students with moderate critical thinking skill have also been able to interpret question, although not yet perfect. Able to analyze and evaluate, but have not been able to infer question well. Students with low critical thinking skill have also been able to interpret questions, although they are not perfect but have not been able to analyze, evaluate, and infer question well. From the result of the table, it can be concluded the student critical thinking skill before and after learning are significant different of the final test score post test of student after being given the project-based learning model have increased significant compared to before being given learning project-based learning model. Based on table 3 in the final test, the number of students who complete the test was 78.57%, and the students who had not completed in were 21.43% with an average score of 81.93. The result of the analysis post-test show that there was an increase in student understanding and interest in algebraic material. Students with a critical thinking skill have been able to fulfill all indicators, although they are not perfect. While students with moderate critical thinking skill indicator that have not been me earn the ability to infer question, and students with low critical thinking skill have also been able to interpret question, although not yet perfect, but have not been able to analyze, evaluation, and infer question well. Student critical thinking skill increase after being given treatment using the learning model project-based learning significantly with the medium category. In each indicator, student critical thinking also increased in the final test. The number of students who complete 78.57% and students who did not complete 21.43% with an average score of 80.93. The result of the post-test analysis showed that there was an increase in student understanding of the algebraic material after being given a question about the application of linear equation problem. That's all. I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.